Good morning. Today is July 12th. It's the 27th day of the 2022 wheat harvest, and I am sitting inside the peat just to stay out of the wind so I can do my morning opening. But while I was in here, I would share with you our morning chores. We each have our own jobs. So the first thing that we do generally is fueling and putting DEF in. So after that's done, then Jim proceeds to do the greasing and whatever else maintenance he feels needs to be done on the combine, while I get the trucks ready to go for the day and put lunch boxes in each vehicle, being combine and truck, and just basically kill time until the greasing is done. So that's where I'm at right now, inside the peat. I just delivered Jim his cooler and water jug. I've had comments on that nice New Holland cooler. It was a gift from New Holland at an event where every attendee received one of those wonderful coolers. So we do have a couple of them, and they are really nice. The strap got broke by the probe at the elevator, so we're repairing. Those probes have been known to even dent the sides of the trailer when they're really not paying attention. Oh, it feels good, actually. There's actually something rather relaxing having your feet and legs in wheat.
Just do that. You stay there though.
Here we go again, folks. Here we go again. Which is a good thing. That was the final cut on this field.
Of straw and crap off this combine, just in case. I don't want to do a thorough cleanup in case we do that other job.
Yeah.
But if we don't do that other job, I don't want a lot of debris there at the fairgrounds, because I think you could probably do some blowing at the fairgrounds, but I just don't want to have big piles of So maybe, like I said, pull out the big chunks, clean out the cavity there that I always clean out, blow for just a little bit, clean the back axle off the combine. Maybe call it good till something else happens. I don't know.
Hey, that looks like a place we should go.
this point, all you'll have is apple.
Apple. Yeah, you're right. Have you had any line at all?
Just waiting for trucks at the scales, because when they haul out, they're just slow in the office.
Now, how in the world do you know where to go? Oh, they have them all numbered.
Back in the old days, it was 1 and 2. And where we're going, I'd never been there before, so I was dumber than hell yesterday.
Just driving around looking for it?
No, I went to the wrong building, but I could see when I was there it was the wrong building. Looks like there's probably a dump there.
Yeah.
Everybody ignores the stop sign. So I went meandered. I thought I was going to dump in that building there. But that's fertilizer building. So I had a big circle around and headed for this big hoop building.
So is that where we're headed to? Is the hoop building?
It's pretty impressive. Bone jarring.
It's like some sort of thirsty corn.
Yeah, it looked a lot worse than 10 days.
Yeah. Okay, Scott, this video is specifically for you. stand on one of these corners at the payphone. I don't remember where it was at. Do you? There's the park that the kids used to go and play at.
The
house is gone. Lines and Harris's and Zeorians and Hancocks, Crumbacks. All looks different.
I don't even know if you can park a trailer here anymore.
I don't know. Library that the kids love to walk down to and spend time at. In that old building?
No, it don't look big enough.
Maybe the building gone. We should go south of the railroad tracks and see if the old store is still there.
This is the back half of it. Come up here. He used to work some out of this side door.
Looks like an old livery stable or something. With that door like that.
Hard telling what it was.
Motel.
I'll go back by the motel. I want to see.
Oh yeah. Remember going in there and even getting a few groceries or something.
Really?
Yeah. Had like a little convenient mart in there. Remember how clean and how well the yard was kept up, and there were flowers and
all that stuff I bet was built for the Lincoln Highway, because this I think is the Lincoln Highway.
Yep, I do remember that is a fact. Here's the old school. Wonder if they have anything in there. Once the grocery store.
Yeah, I figured the Opera House would be down still. shade tree.
Boy, I guess. The Lodgepole Opera House.
Well, that's the extent of the tour.
Tour's over.
Threw a sleeping bag out and slept in the park. And he said that was an experience with the frickin' trains
Oh.
going through.
I imagine.
Now where?
I guess that's all.
Well, I'm talking about where you want to eat.
Oh. If you want to go to Toot's, that's fine with me. Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.